In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Samsung TV remote is not working. If you find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. So if you're trying to use your television remote and none of the buttons are working, or maybe some of the buttons are working and some others aren't, the first thing we need to do is start with the obvious, and that's to come over to the back of the television remote. And we're just going to remove the battery case like so. And then we're going to start by removing the batteries. Now on this specific model of a TV remote, these are AAA batteries. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove both of these. And once you've removed your batteries, we're then going to head over to the front of the remote. And the first thing we're going to do is just hold down this power button for 8 seconds. So keep holding this down like so. And then once 8 seconds is passed, we're going to go through and press all of the buttons on the remote quite firmly. So just keep going through all of the buttons like this. Make sure you get all of them. And what this is going to do is if you have a stuck button or a button that's just not moving, this is going to help free the button from its stuck position. Now I know it sounds quite silly, but I'd recommend just trying this. And then once you've gone through all of these buttons a couple of times, then we're going to come back over to the back of the TV remote and reinsert the batteries. Now of course it goes without saying, also try to change the batteries if you haven't already, just to make sure the batteries have sufficient charge. And then once you've reinserted the batteries, the last thing we're going to do is come over to the sensor at the top of the TV remote and just make sure this is clean. Make sure there's no dirt or debris stuck inside of here that's blocking the signal. So you can use something like a cotton bud or something to get down in there. And then once you've done that, we can then try using the remote and checking to see if that's now working. So if you're still having issues with your remote, the next thing we can do is make sure nothing's obstructing the sensor on your television. This sensor is usually located on the left-hand side of your TV right at the bottom. So as you can see at the bottom of my television, it's free from any devices or anything that could be obstructing it. So if you do have any objects in front of your TV, then I'd recommend trying to remove them now. And then the last thing we can do to fix this issue is try repairing your television remote. So to do this, it doesn't matter what Samsung TV you have, the steps are going to be pretty much the same. So on most Samsung TV remotes, you need to hold down this return and a guide button here. So you just need to hold them both down at the same time for around about 7 to 8 seconds. And you need to do this as well with your television turned on. Now, if you can't turn on your television via the remote, then just go ahead and turn it on via the power button on the actual physical TV. And once your TV's on, we're going to hold these buttons down for 8 seconds. And you should see a confirmation message pop up on your TV. Basically just saying that the pairing has been successful. Now if this doesn't work for you, another combination that you can try is just holding down the return button here and also this play pause button. Again, it depends on the model of television that you have, but for me I've just got a play button and the pause is separate. But if you do have a remote where the play and pause is all on the same button, then you can try these two combinations. And that's it guys, let me know in the comments if this did or didn't help, and that should have fixed any issues with your Samsung TV remote.